very, very simply. We should get a false break, we follow the divergence, and we got it. Now pullbacks should be an opportunity to buy. We should get going to above 173, maybe even higher than 177 on the longer view. Okay? So how can we enjoy from this one? Well, ideally, we should be looking for a convergence on the 1 hour chart, which means that's what we should get. Okay, like two waves here. Okay, for the convergence to be created, we need one more high, of course. Then pull back and we can go for buys. If that scenario does not follow, remember we had a convergence on the 30 minutes time frame, right? Here. Okay, now we can expect some kind of pullback here in two waves, back to trend line or even lower, and we can start to look for potential buys. How do we look for potential buys? Bullish divergence on this or lower time frames. By the way, this is 30 minutes. You can go for 15 minutes, okay, whatever makes more reasons for you to find the convergence. 30 charts, for example, 30-minute charts is time frame I don't use to trade, but I don't trade it. I get the confirmations here, which is okay, and you can do it, of course, also by the 15-minute charts. Okay, and then we are looking to trade the first cycle. First cycle is the time frame which we trade a convergence with, of course, and then we can always try and trail it with the higher time frames, which is the 4-hour chart and daily chart, aiming to above the 173 as suggested before. That's a great scenario for pound yen, which I like. Of course, everything is relevant as long as the last bottom does hold. If the last